So in English, there is a notion of it appears to me or it seems to me, but you often don't really write it, it's implied, right? But when it comes to Hindi, you have to make it very, visible. Hindi makes it very, very obvious. And how does it do it? You ended up using the word called ko. Okay, you ended up using this postposition called ko. So you take any subject or pronoun, and when you add this ko to it, it changes the state. Okay, it changes it to this person is not doing it, it's he or she or they are experiencing it. Now we want to practice first the ko, right? The postposition ko. These are the base pronouns. I didn't put in the interrogative one, but when you add, and repeat after me as I read it, right? So when you have man, you add ko to it, it becomes mujhe or mujhko. Something experience, it's coming to me. Experience a state or feeling. When you have hum, which is we, I add ko to it, it becomes hame or humko, to us. When it is you, aap, you add ko to it, it becomes aapko, which is to you. Okay, more polite way of saying it. When you have tum, you add ko to it, it's tumhe or tumko, to you. When you have tu, you add ko to it, it's tujhe or tujko, again to you, but it's if you are very close to the person. When it is yeh, which is colloquially said as ye as well, it becomes ise or isko, to this, or to him, to her. When it is weh, which is colloquially said as wo as well, you add ko to it, it's become usse or usko, okay, to him, to her again. When it is ye, these, go to it, in he or in ko, to them. And lastly, those or way, you add ko to it, becomes unhe or unko, to them. Right. So the small mental model is that these are the 5 common sort of experiences where you will use ko. When something is happening to your body, okay, when experiencing cold, or it's a hot winter, or if you're feeling sleepy, something is happening to your body, bodily discomfort basically. When about your likes or dislikes, whether you like the song or you like someone or you feel bad, okay, happens to your mind, okay, whether you're knowing or remembering something, okay. Again, something is happening to your mind. Oh, I remember him, okay, or I know Hindi, okay, I know swimming. When you're receiving something or getting something or found something, you didn't actively read it, it just happened to you. You didn't do a deliberate work, it came to your hand. Lastly, when it feels or it appears to you, like mujhe lagta hai, okay, something's coming to your eyes. But these are the 5 categories that we'll be going over one by one, and that will sort of help you develop a solid understanding of ko versus the regular sort of action that we are doing. And today we'll spend most of our time on just the body, something that happens to your body.